Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious margarita in a blender. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need a good quality Blanco tequila, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur like Cointreau or Triple Sec. Freshly squeezed lime juice truly makes a difference, so don't skip that step. We'll combine these with ice to create a perfectly chilled and blended drink. Get ready for a refreshing treat. Now let's get blending. For one serving, combine 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur in your blender. Next, add about 1.5 cups of ice. This amount helps achieve that perfect slushy texture. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for 20 to 30 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and frosty. No ice chunks allowed. Once your margarita is perfectly blended, it's time to serve. First, prepare your glass. You can rim it with salt for a classic savory touch, or sugar for a sweeter twist. Simply moisten the rim with a lime wedge and dip it into your chosen topping. Then, carefully pour the frosty margarita into your prepared glass. A fresh lime wheel or wedge makes for a beautiful and aromatic garnish. Enjoy your homemade creation. Want to get creative? You can easily customize your blender margarita. Try adding a 1/4 cup of fresh fruit puree, like strawberry or mango, before blending for a fruity twist. If you prefer a sweeter drink, add a small amount of agave nectar or simple syrup to taste. Remember, the key is to balance the sweet, sour, and strong elements. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the links in the description below. Cheers to your perfect margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.